Many people have books on their bookshelf that they haven't read. No different than me and most likely everyone else that's watching this. We all have books on our bookshelves that we haven't read. And to me, it's very similar to your goals. People make goals in the beginning of the year. They're all pumped up. They're hyped up. And then in 2 weeks into the year, they already forget about their goals. And I'm here to talk about, not about your goals, but making your goals happen. It doesn't matter what time of year it is. It could be January, it could be February, it could be August. It doesn't make a difference. I believe that you should be proactive. We're also going to do an unboxing too. So being proactive, I personally think when you're proactive, someone else has to react to you being proactive. So I know goals are great and you should write down your goals, but there's something a little more important than the goals. It's actually making something happen. To give you an idea, I sent out text messages, not because it was January 1st, this is exactly what I do anyway. So I sent 3 clients text messages and I purchased $247,500 worth of goods for $140,000. So I made $85,900, and I didn't make that yet. It's not in my pocket. That's what's going to come in over the next 7.5 months, and that's all because I was being proactive. And just break it down. Proactive. Pro is pretense, I guess, and active is the act of doing something. So, and reactive is someone reacting to you. So, because of that text message, I had him basically go into action and find out his balances, so on and so forth, and I made something happen. You know, just because you don't see something, it doesn't mean it's not there. What I mean is, let's just say you're driving and the fog comes in and it's foggy. You can't see 2 feet in front of you. You know the road is there, right? Same exact thing with your dreams and your goals. Even though you might not see them in front of you, they're there. Just keep going after them. By the way, that coin right there. All right, so that coin, let me zoom in. I made a purchase. I bought a 1/2 ounce Gold Eagle, another one. You said, why would I do that? You're already done with the roll. I have 2 proofs inside the roll. Let me zoom in. Never mind zooming in. So I have 2 proofs, and that's the reason why. Because I'm going to want to liquidate, so I want to make sure I have a full roll of everything. And when you have proofs, it takes a little longer to sell. So it's a pain in the ass. I want to be able to liquidate 1, 2, 3, no issues, no headaches, nothing. You know, this year in 2000, so that's the coin right there that I bought. Obviously, you don't see them up here. The reason being is because I want to show you what I think I purchased 100 and, let me see. All right, so what I'm going to show you right now is I purchased $94,395.30 of hard assets this year. And what I'm going to show you right now is the gold. So right there is all the gold. So mainly these are all 1/2 ounce coins. There's 5. If you remember at the end of the year last year, I bought 5 1 ounce coins. Otherwise, they're all 1/2 ounce. And I bought a few, I think they're called Lady Liberty, American Liberty. Let me show you. I purchased 2 of those coins. I thought for sure I would lose money. I already sold both of them. One I broke even on, and one I made like $150 on. Believe it or not, I thought for sure I was losing money. It was hype, and when it came out, I'm like, no one. Well, I'm not going to be able to sell this, but I'm happy to sell them. You know, people say, why would you sell it? You just purchased it. Again, I want to start liquidating. This is not only saving money; I also enjoy this. Like a normal person would take their boat out on the weekend. If I buy a proof coin, it's because it's like me taking my boat out. And if I happen to lose $500 on that proof coin, if I bought it because I enjoy it, that's fine. It's no different than putting gas in your boat. So, and this is what I enjoy. And this is what you guys watch this as well. It's probably what you guys enjoy as well. But back to the coins. I purchased just under $95,000 worth of altogether gold. I put these 2 proofs in here only to show you that it was the American Liberty. Otherwise, mainly they were all 1/2 ounce coins and 5 1 ounce coins, and that obviously doesn't equal up to $94,000. I'm going to show you what adds up to 90. So I'm going to get rid of this one. Underneath this one is platinum and a little silver. Let me see if I can get a better shot. So I end up buying 10, I believe it was 10 1 ounce platinum coins 1 palladium, and a few silver coins that I bought. So all that, oh, also I bought some certified coins, which I have right here. Let me move this out of the way. I bought a couple Indians. Let me set it up. So besides I do this to save money, I also do it because I enjoy it. I like numismatics, and I also like bullion. So it makes it fun for me. That's the reason why I also buy some proof gold, and it's more of a hobby than it is anything else. But at the end of the day, everything that you see is going to be gone, and it's going to be in a different asset class that actually produces income. That's what I like. It doesn't mean that anyone has to do it. I like real estate. You know, I was just reading something. 65% of all millionaires have 3 streams of income, and then it goes up from there. So I just started last year or the year before, well, really last year, selling whatever coins, if you will. So I'm doing my taxes now. So I've sold $48,984 worth of coins, and there was 4,000 in fees. So I end up getting just under 45,000. 44,927 is what I end up selling. Mainly, most of them were on eBay, believe it or not, and that's why, and some auction sites as well. But back to what the purchases that I made, the net purchases that I made. So $94,395 is what I put into hard assets. I end up putting $48,245 in Voyager, because let's cross our fingers and hope that goes up. I don't want to sell. I try not to even look at it. At one point, I was up like 15,000. I looked last night because I had to figure out what I owed. I mean, how much I put in there, and I think I'm down 13,000 out of that. 48,000 is probably worth whatever 13,000 less is. So 35,000 ballpark. I put 48,000 in crypto. I put Coinbase, and I put altogether 53,401, because Coinbase I put 2,000, PayPal I put 3,100, because you could buy crypto in PayPal. So whenever I would sell something, I had money in PayPal, I would just buy crypto right from there. And I put 48,245 in Voyager, altogether 53,401, and it's worth probably in the mid to high 30s right now. I also went to Masterworks. Masterworks.com, and I end up purchasing $1,000 worth of a piece of art. We'll see how that goes. So what you're looking at, like I said, I just sold a couple things, but however, what you're looking at is $95,000 worth of gold, platinum, palladium, and silver. Very little silver, and I'm just talking about what's right there in the immediate front, and those certified coins in the back. And I've made money. I've made money on them, and I'm up on some of them. Now let's do the random picker and see what comes up. So I'm just going to face it towards the screen, the monitor, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I didn't do it yet. I'm just going to X out of that and X out of this thing. I should have it up here. YouTube random picker. So here's the video. Nope, that's not the video. That's the video. So I share, copy, paste, filter out dupes and comments. What a great video. And there's 22 of them. And then over here, hit start. Good luck, everyone. Right before I hit the start, I want everyone to know, I apologize for being all over the place. I'll go from one topic to another, and I might not even finish the topic. That's why I don't make many videos, because I don't edit. And I'm usually quite quiet. I'm someone that would rather be seen, not heard. I can tell you that. And I want everyone to do themselves a favor. It's great that you have goals, but just be proactive. Do something today that's going to make someone act based on what you're telling them or what you're asking them. Okay, let's hit start. Steve Tom. Congrats, brother. Total name 22. What a great video. Comment picker. Congratulations. So I forgot what you want. Oh, I'm going to send you out a Adidas Lego set. Good job. I have a few other ones. They're in the garage. I just put them away in the box. No reason to play with them. No reason to touch them. We'll see what happens to them, if they go up, if they go down. You know, the bottom line is I want everyone to be successful. There's enough money out there for every single one of us to do very well. And health is very important as well, of course. You know, there's a saying, do what you fear and watch it disappear. So if you have any hesitations on anything to do with business, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to help you. Otherwise, just go for it. You have nothing to lose. We get one shot at this. Just go for it. You might be pleasantly surprised what you get out of it. And if you happen to reach one of your goals during the course of the year, you know, just because you make it to the peak of the mountain, then starts your next mountain. The peak of the mountain is the bottom of your following mountain. So if you're climbing mountains to hit your goals, oh, there's one thing I missed, guys. You're looking, here's another $750. I bought a roll. I don't know why, but I mean, whatever. It doesn't matter why. I bought a roll of peace dollars. That was something else that I purchased. Yeah, so those peace dollars, they're cool. 1923, they're nice. You know, hopefully I just make a little bit of money on there, or at least get my money back. We'll see. I have no idea. But there is money in this game because we're playing with expensive stuff. So there is money, but you have to buy right. I'm just going to show you a couple of the sales that I made last year. So I made a little bit, not a tremendous amount of money, but if you buy them right, like if you look, those are the platinum proof coins right here. I paid $1,700 for one, sold it for $3,500, $3,360, sold it for $5,300. Those are just two. If I go in a little more, I think there's another one over here. I paid $17. I lost $300 on that one. And those are the sales that I made. So there is a little bit of money to be made here. So while you're enjoying your hobby, you can make a few dollars, but it's work like anything else. So if you don't want to work, you just want to buy and collect, that's great. Don't put the work into it. Guys, do me a favor, please, before you sign off, if you wouldn't mind, please hit, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. And more importantly, or equally as important, please give me a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithms, I guess, whatever the hell that means. This year is going to be a very good year for a lot of people. This is probably going to be my best year, and I don't know what's going to happen, but this is the way you have to think. Everything is mindset. So I'm not going to stand up here and say I'm going to make $80,000 a year and be the least and make no money. I'm going to stand up here and say I'm going to make 7 figures. And I'm sure as hell going to try it. You know, already the second week of January, I already had almost $86,000 in net profit coming over the next 7.5 months. And it's not stopping there. Sky is the limit, and I'm very excited for this year. I personally think I have the best subs. You know, it's been 2 or 3 weeks since the last video. Not one person has sent me a comment asking me to do this raffle, which is great. I was hoping someone would, because I was going to laugh at them. Come on, guy, it's a Lego set. Relax, it's going to happen. But it's great because everyone's busy working, making things happen. So with that being said, guys, please again subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share the video, and tune in for the next one. God bless.